guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today's recipe is oat and wheat cookies. Yes, very healthy, tasty, but simple to make. And so please watch this video and make sure you give it a try at home, okay? And then make sure that you give me a feedback. So please subscribe if you have not yet done so. Click on the bell icon to get notifications. Like and share this video. And so we are going to make use of margarine. I'm going to leave the quantities in the description side or the comment section. So check and then make yours, okay? And so I just added my sugar also to the margarine and we'll mix it very well. So this is milk powder, non-dairy milk powder, salt, my vanilla flavor, and then nutmeg. Okay, so this is wheat flour, 1 cup, oat flour. This is oat flour, 1 cup. And then I'm going to mix all with my hands. Yes, I'm going to mix them with my hand. Okay, and so let's mix. Please like and share this video, leave a comment as well, okay? So this is rolled oats, 1 cup that I just added. Okay, I also added a tablespoon of baking powder, but that one was off camera, so don't forget to add it. So I just add water little by little till I get the texture that I'm looking for. Mix it very well. So we don't want it to be too soft and we don't want it to be too hard as well. Do you get it? Okay, and so this is it, you see. So I'm going to bring out my chopping board, apply some flour on the chopping board and just a little, and then I'm going to add my dough. We are going to roll this. We are not supposed to roll it very flat. Hope you get it. Then I'm going to take my container cover, yes, just to cut it. Yes, so I'll just use that to cut it. So you can cut it into any shape that you want and any size that you prefer. Do you get it? And so I'm going to bring out my baking tray and I'm going to lift all the cookies and place them on the parchment paper in the baking tray. Yes, so this is how I did it. Yes, so rolled and then cut it with the container cover. Please click on the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video you will be notified, okay? And make sure you leave a comment, even if it's an emoji. That is so okay for me. So this is it, you see. And the next thing I'm going to do is to use the fork to create holes on top. So yes, just to give it that biscuit effect. Do you get it? So this is it, you see. And I'm going to bake this. I bake this for 10 minutes on a medium heat, okay? And so you see, guys, this is our oat and wheat cookies, looking so delicious. And it's actually delicious. You can substitute the sugar with honey. Do you get it? And so let's break into one, yes, for you to see. Very tasty. This, yes, is very crunchy as well. And so just follow the recipe and check the comment section or the description side for all the quantities. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye.